The world feels divided, voices scattered, dreams uncertain. Many have learned on their own, built skills in isolation, fought silent battles just to keep going. But now, something new is unfolding. A plan guided by purpose, a fresh beginning shaped by wisdom and vision. This is not just a restart. This is Victory with Ash. We are stepping into a new chapter, a space designed for growth, clarity, and unity. It's time to leave behind the noise of confusion and focus on what truly matters. This is a season to rebuild stronger, to form new connections, to learn with purpose, and to rise with intention. Victory with Ash is not about the past, it's about preparing for the future. Every step forward matters now, so stay active, stay engaged. And if you see someone struggling, extend a hand.